What's up guys, welcome to another video at Movement Mechanics. In this video we are again going to cover what causes sciatica and how you can fix your sciatica within a span of just 15 days. So in the part 1 of this video we covered the bulging disc and how it causes sciatica and how you can cure your bulging disc without any surgery. In this particular video we're going to cover the second part and the second reason that causes your sciatica and causes you radiating pain throughout your body. So let's dive deep inside this topic and understand some movement mechanics. Starting from where we left, we are going to talk about the second cause for your sciatica and how you can fix it. So the first video we covered regarding bulging disc, and in this video we're going to cover regarding one particular muscle in the human body which causes your sciatica. It is not any joint or any fascia related issue. It is completely related to your piriformis muscle. The piriformis is a small muscle located into a deep gluteal muscles, and it causes external rotation at the hip joint. So whenever this muscle gets tight, the sciatic nerve is getting compressed and hence you are going to get radiating pain. Now how the sciatic nerve gets compressed? The reason is the sciatic nerve passes through your piriformis muscle. So that one tiny muscle, which is the piriformis, is going to cause you that immense amount of excruciating radiating pain in your body if it is not treated properly. First, you need to understand whether your piriformis is tight or not. So how to do that? You need to simply assess your internal rotation at the hip joint via this test. This is a self-test. You don't need anyone to test your internal rotation. You can simply do with yourself. If you have got access to someone who can internal rotate your hip joint and check whether both the hip joints are equally internal rotated or there is restriction in one joint and or to the other, then that's the best case scenario. If you don't have access to anyone, you can simply do this test, which you don't need anyone. Now secondly, from assessment we come to the cure. Now when we are talking about any tightness in the muscles, of course you have to do two things. One is release work and second is stretching. When we talk about stretching, first exercise comes to my mind is the pigeon pose. Now the pigeon pose is the best exercise to stretch your piriformis because it stretches that particular muscle as much as it can get stretched, and hence you can get relief as soon as possible. Second stretch is the piriformis stretch itself. Now this stretch is going to target again that piriformis muscle itself, and hence you are going to get that relief in your pain as soon as you do the stretch. And finally, the most important part, or again the most neglected part as well, is the release work. Now releasing that piriformis muscle or that particular region of the piriformis or your gluteal muscle is necessary. You can do manual release with a physiotherapist, or you can just use a foam roller or a foam ball, sit on it and rotate round and round, clockwise, anti-clockwise, side to side, forward, backward, and you are going to feel relief in your pain the moment you step out of that ball. The reason is that piriformis muscle is extremely tight, and once you apply some pressure and once you apply some foam rolling on it, that tightness is going to reduce slowly, and hence that pinching of the sciatic nerve is going to get reduced as well. And once that pinching is reduced, that radiating pain is going to get reduced as well. This was a very short, crisp, but one of the most effective video which you can apply for curing your sciatica if you have got tight piriformis. So if you have loved this video, make sure to like, the share, the subscribe, as well as the notification bell icon so that you never miss a video whenever I am uploading a new one. Also, if you've got any doubts or comments regarding this video or any other video suggestions which you want to cover in the future, make sure to drop them in the comment section. Also, don't forget to watch the part 1 if you have missed it, which is bulging disc and why it causes sciatica and how you can cure it. Till then, see you in the next one.